on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
She is a freaking loud mini bike. That's a nice pipe. He's mentally. But anyway, it's a loud pipe. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's a loud pipe. Zoom in on.
Oh, here comes.
Come right here, turn around. And then pick his back tire up and do a burnout. Just pick that up.
Stand up a little. Go.
Yeah. Oh, shoot. He's gonna pop the chain if he does that. Dang. Okay, no, start it. That sounded good.
Let me get close to there. Let me.
Casey does spit a flame again. Oh, look at that exhaust.
Did
Okay.
it spit a flame?
No, ready?
Yeah.
Now I understand why my parents tell me that I cannot hear.
Finally.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Gas it, bro. Gas it. Hit the brake. Grab the brake on him. Hey, put a pine cone in the air intake. Oh yeah, we got Trin right there on the bicycle.
Wheelie!
Look at his handlebars. Goes to bed mode.
Oh!
Okay, so now we're gonna do some cinematics of the mini bike. Get it off. Or get off. I want to show them it. So there's the new pipe. It goes into there. It is very hot. Did you weld it on there?
Can cook a glizzy in it.
It could cook a glizzy. It's a 3-horse power. It's a pull start. It doesn't have a key or anything. There's your air filter. But yeah,
See, I
real
could
loud.
just steal it. Like,
I turn on.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
man.
Go on.
She starts inside.
Ain't no Honda.
Oh man, I can power, baby!
Dude, that is some idiot stuff right there. Okay,
I need someone to stand on the
see you guys. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the
And
next
like and
one.
subscribe to SMG Inc.
What
Like
is
and
it?
subscribe to SMG Inc.
Okay, bye, y'all.